Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Identify your target customer and their primary pain points so every page speaks to them. Once done, create a lead magnet that solves one pain and choose the landing platform, email provider, and payment processor. Make sure to map the one-sentence offer and the deliverable format. Then build a simple page, add an opt-in form, and connect it to your email sequence so leads are captured immediately. Next, focus on the complex middle steps that turn interest into action. Craft a landing page with a single call to action and a benefit-led headline, and make the form as short as possible. Once that stands, write a 3-email sequence: welcome, deliver value, and present a soft offer. Sequence timing affects conversion, so stagger 24-72 hours. Make sure to add UTM tags and conversion pixels to each touchpoint so you can measure what works. Finally, complete the funnel by adding checkout or booking pages and tying payment or scheduling to the confirmation flow. Once live, run a /B tests on headline, CTA color, and email subject lines. Measure conversion percent and cost to acquire a customer. Make sure to optimize traffic sources and scale the winners. Troubleshooting tip: if conversions stall, check form tracking and pixel firing first. Broken tracking looks like failure, but is often a wiring issue you can fix in minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.